Over 10 years ago, I embarked on a series of journeys that would stir my passion for cycling adventures. It started with doubts about my own abilities and the reliability of a rather unusual bicycle. And it ended with the discovery that any bike can become the perfect means to discover the world. When cycling, immersed in the elements and the landscape, one learns to appreciate whatever happens and to not take anything for granted. Every pedal stroke reminds me that it is not about reaching a destination, but in embracing the journey in its entirety. It teaches me that to feel fully alive, I have to take it all and welcome everything. The highs, the lows, the ordinary and the inspiring. Sure, there will be rain and there will be sunshine. Steep mountains to climb in order to enjoy an effortless glide down the other side. Moments of ecstasy, as well as the odd mishap. But one thing is sure, it would all have been worth it. Let me take you along what has been an incredible ride. I had never been to Turkey, yet it often popped up as one of the best destinations for a cycle ride. Over 3 weeks, I followed the Mediterranean coast, from Istanbul to the southern city of Antalya. Stunned by its glorious history and scenic beauty, I'm finding out for myself the incredible generosity of its people. Morocco was more of the same, with the added benefit of providing one of the most accessible warm winter break for a European. This has been so far my only taste of Africa, in a country that surprises for its varied landscape of sea, deserts and high mountains, and warms your heart daily with examples of kindness. In my own experience as a solo male traveler, as far as hospitality is concerned, I never felt as welcomed as I did in the Muslim countries I visited. The warmth of the Pakistani was overwhelming and verged on the embarrassing. Of course, I had mainly come for its mountains and the Karakoram Highway, where 1,000 meters high peaks can be admired while cycling. South America was next. I took it as a challenge to see if the Carretera Australia was too much for a Brompton folding bike.
Entre las sombras, desvaneciendo, siempre otro despedir, a veces más lento, demasiado rápido para mí, siempre tan fuerte, mi necesidad por ti. La primera mirada que yo vi fue la misma que me diste en aquel despedir, aquel abrazo vino a ser el último que te di, tu mano en mi mano.
No doubt it was not the ideal bike for a rough and surface road, but it still carried me all the way from Chile to Argentina on a bumpy ride that proved as rewarding as it was challenging.
El dolor me ahoga, me agarré tan fuerte de ti. No quería soltarte, no podía dejarte ir, el miedo a perderte no me dejaba.
For my latest trip to date, I opted to go to Colombia, the most passionate South American country when it comes to cycling.
No estarías más. La a ser el último que te di, tu mano en mi mano, todo me lo sabía decir.
I wanted to climb some of its famous mountain passes and experience a different aspect of the Andes. In stark contrast to the rocky peaks seen in Patagonia, I admired mountains transformed by a tropical climate that wrapped them with thick forests and green carpets. It is a cliché, but the world is indeed an incredible place. And for some, included myself, nothing compares to discovering it on a bicycle.